Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to open recent tabs in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then to see or open the website you visited before, you can click on three dots in the upper right corner. And then you can choose the recent tab option. Okay, and then here will appear some websites that you have recently opened. That's the tutorial on how to open recent tabs in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.